And do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen? An eternal love bullshit you know you'll never mean. Remember when I believed you meant it when you said it first to me? And now I'm picking her apart, like cutting her down to make you miss my wretched heart. But she's beautiful, she looks kind, she probably gives you butterflies. I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know, I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy. I wish you all the best, really. Say you love her, baby, just not like you loved me. And think of me fondly when your hands are on her. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. I'm out of my head, out of my mind.
Ceritanya sering nggak nyambung dan garing.
1 bulan dikejar KPPN gara-gara sering lupa injek PIN.
Selalu disuruh beli air galon.
Selalu ngingetin makan.
Selalu bawa makanan ya.
Yang paling dikenang dari Kak Dina, selalu patroli ruangan harus rapi, bersih, dan teratur.
Oh, ceria. Dan kadang ceritanya nggak nyambung kali.
Cuek, tapi ternyata perhatian juga.
KPM udah selesai tapi sertifikat masih diminta.
Orangnya sangat dermawan dan kepemimpinannya bagus dan manajemennya juga oke.
Makasih ya Kak untuk semua nasihatnya.
Nggak asik lah masa Kak Dina pindah.
Hashtag injek PIN TPSPM.
Hashtag jangan lupa bayar baju.
Cerewet tapi perhatian.
Kalau sampai sana jangan lupa ya, main ludo kita.
Care, selalu ceria.
Nggak seru.
Penguat mental.
Cerdik dan cakap.
Jangan lupain kami.